Create and schedule recurring invoices. With recurring invoices, you can request payment authorization from your clients and receive payments automatically at regular intervals. This feature is especially helpful for clients who order services consistently. There are two ways to create one. You can either open the client account, switch to the Invoices tab and click New Invoice, or click the New button at the top, select Invoice, choose the account, and then go to the Recurring tab. You can either enter a custom name or select a template. Be sure to choose your preferred payment method as well. Next, you can adjust the recurring settings. Either choose a specific date or on acceptance. If you choose a specific date, you can set the first invoice date, the number of recurrences, and the desired frequency. Then fill in the line item name and amount for each invoice and assign the team member responsible for receiving payments. Once all information is complete, click Create to send the invoice. Once a recurring invoice with payment authorization is accepted, a notification will be sent to your email and Inbox Plus. If you need more time to prepare, save your progress by clicking Save as Draft without sending it to your client. The saved draft can be found in the Inactive tab of the Recurring Invoices page under the Billing section.